Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log out of your Snapchat app on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Snapchat app and follow the steps. Once you end up in the camera screen of Snapchat, this means you're logged into your account. If you wish to log out of it, you'll need to go and tap on your profile icon at the upper left-hand corner. Soon after you do that, from this profile page, tap on the settings button at the upper right hand and scroll all the way down until you see the log out button. Tap on log out and from the pop-up that appears, if you wish to save your login information so that next time you can log into your Snapchat account without having to enter your username or password, you can tap on the yes button, or if you don't want to do that, tap no. It is asking you if you are sure you'd like to log out, tap on the log out button to confirm your selection. Wait for a few moments and that is how you can log out of your Snapchat application. If you wish to log back in, simply tap the login button. If you've saved your username on the device, you can easily and quickly log in back to your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.